There are many stotras for Hanuman to do Hanuman Stuti. In that there are Maruti Stotra, Hanuman Chalisa and Vadavanal Stotra as well. Vadavanal Stotra is very different kind of Stotra. When Hanumanji visited Lanka that time, among all living beings on earth who took refuge or surrendered to Hanuman, the first one was Ravana's brother Vibhishan Hanuman. With his blessings made Vibhishan immortal, and Vibhishan exists even today as a token his devotion and gratitude. Vibhishan composed an exceedingly powerful stotra called Hanuman Vadavanal Stotra. Hanuman Vadavanal Stotra is powerful mantra that can invoke Hanuman so that he can give his blessings to the seeker. The stotra begins with his praises of his power and virtues. Seekers seek refuse him, Hanuman, in order to rid themselves of trouble in life. Lord Hanuman always offers his devotees security against fear, troubles and evils. There are other famous Hanuman mantras that are used to destroy the evils and sins of the devotees as well. Hanuman is one of the 11 Rudra avatars of Lord Shiva. Hanuman is also known as Raudriya, which means incarnation of Lord Shiva. The real face from the Anjaneya can be found in the temple of Salasar and Mehendipur in Rajasthan. Hanuman has a close bond with Surya, as he also happens to be Surya's student. Seekers of Hanuman are blessed with the virtues of sun, which are self-confidence, sharp wits, and so on. Hanuman has another name of Sankat Mochan because he pulls out his devotees from every possible crisis. Regular puja of Hanuman and yagyas can free the devotees of all his sufferings. By performing Sri Hanuman puja and yagya, one can have freedom from all sufferings. If you find yourself victimized by injustice, just a prayer to Lord Hanuman assures you a win, and he is the protective layer of the power and aura around his devotees. To gain physical and mental agility, strength, sincerity, sense of loyalty and devotion, one must resort to the mercy of Lord Hanuman. He was blessed with immortality by Lord Rama, and his worship sets right the effect of inimical planets in our horoscope. So currently we were talking about benefits of chanting Hanuman Vadavanal Stotra. Hanuman Vadavanal Stotra is recited for gaining strength and stamina for a weak people. For Hanuman Vadavanal Stotra forms a protective aura around the devotees to dispel the misfortune and mishaps. It helps in, getting away from bhoots, prets, and any power of degree of destructive power are known to be silenced by just uttering the Vadavanal mantra. Hanuman helps the devotees balance the Mooladhara Chakra. For those immersed in Bhakti Yoga and absolute surrender to Hanuman, he provides Ashtasiddhis and Navanidhis to his devotees. He grants knowledge, success in academics and worldly and spiritual pursuits. You can succeed in any undertaken task if you are supported by the japa of Vadavanal. The recitation of this mantra provides you with health and prosperity. The hindrances on your way are removed and you will carry out your task uninterrupted. It instills courage and valor in the devotee and the doubles his confidence, steam and ability to fight out the challenges in life. One finds it easy to shed his inertia and become resourceful to be able to do any work. It opens up the devotee's eyes to the truth and the pliability of the word. So this way, Hanuman Vardhavanal Stotra is very strong or a very effective prayer of Lord Hanuman. So, in next video, we are going to chant Hanuman Vardhavanal Stotra 11 times. So, we'll see you in next video. By that time, I am taking a leave. Jai Hanuman, Jai Siya Ram.